Hi guys, so I got this 4-channel remote radio frequency controllers, and they are very difficult English instructions. So I got it in jog mode for A and B, which you can see. Now I'm going to do the third one, and what you're supposed to do is you press the corresponding button like S1, 2, 3, 4. You have to press and hold. So let's say I want to do the third relay. I'm going to press the third button, press and hold. Oh, sorry, I make a mistake. You have to press and hold. Okay, nothing comes up. 1 moment. Press and hold. It's not doing it. The learning light's supposed to come on. Very weird. Let's try on the other one. Nothing. Very strange, because I did it on the first and the second. Why is not doing it here? You have to press and hold. Normally the learning light's supposed to flash. It's not doing that. Very strange. Anyway, why is not doing the third and the... Very strange. It worked properly on the first channel, worked properly on the second channel. It's not doing it on the third and the fourth. You supposedly have to press and press again and hold on the channel that you want to program. Like, see, this is the third channel here. It's not doing that. Let's see if I do it here. You see that one flash? Okay, but I want to do that on the third one. Here. Let's see. No. It did that properly on the first one. How do I get that third channel to go? Jesus Christ. Oh, now I'm getting that, okay. Did you see that? You have to start on the first one, then go to the third one. So let's see, it's learning. Yeah, I was too late. Let's see. No. Let's do that here on this one. Press and hold. Nothing. Press and hold. You see, it's not even doing that there. It just did it. Press and hold. Nothing. Why it's not doing it? It just did it on the first one again. Press and hold. I want to get that third one lighting up to tell me that it's in learning mode. Wait, I'm going to power it off for a second. let's say if you want to change to a different mode, jogging mode, or always open, always close mode, you have to press a channel that you want to work on and put the power on. So I'm going to do that now. It's not really the way to do it, but let's see. Okay, so I got a 1 flash and I want, oh, that's not doing that. Okay, I got the 1 flash. Okay, so at least I got it that way. It's not, there's no logic in this, but I got it, you see, compared to the first one, this is jog mode, second one jog mode, third one is on or off. And to change this, you're supposed to do again power off. I'm going to do that now. Power off. It takes a little while. Just hold on a second. Okay. And I'm going to press the third one, put the power in. I'm going to wait for 2 flashes. 1, 2, and now it's in jog mode. Let's see. Yeah, okay, so. But there's no logic between 1 and 2. You're supposed to press and hold, and then I get a flash to program 1 and 2. The third one I didn't do that, as you could have seen. Anyway, got 1 jogging, 2 jogging, 3 jogging. Now I want to do 4. So let's see. Let's see if he's going to take the press and hold. Press and hold. Okay, so press and hold. No, I'm going to do the same way as I did with the third one for the fourth one. So I'm just going to power off. Maybe this is actually the real way to program this thing. Each time you press the channel, let's say the first one, you put the power on, so he knows that I'm working on the first one. Anyway, I'm going to try. I'm going to press 4 and put the power in. I will wait for 1 flash, 2 flash. Okay, so 2 flash means change to a switching mode, but okay, it's still not doing anything. But now I'm going to go. Okay, 1 flash. That means I can program. Okay, I got that going. So yeah, as you can see now, I got everything in jogging, in jog mode. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, there's no logic why it did not do the third and the fourth the same way as the first and the second. But anyway, as you can see, that's the way to program this thing. Maybe yours is different. I think there's an anomaly in the program, in the chip there. So if I want to change the switching mode of the relay, I would have to again power off, press the button of the corresponding relay, put the power back in while holding the button, and wait for the second flash, meaning changing switching mode, and then it would go to always close, meaning if I press on a button it would be on, and if I press the button again it would go off. Anyway, that's it guys. I hope you learned something. It's really troublesome that there's nothing to find online about this. Yeah, thanks for watching.